Assalamu alaikum and good day to everybody. This is Hassan from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Let me confirm whether my sound is okay. Just checking. I'm going live on my YouTube channel and Facebook. Yeah, so it's confirmed. Thanks once again for tuning up. It's a long weekend in Malaysia, and to take this opportunity of long weekend, I thought of going live and sharing with you or revisiting one of the tool which I have already explored earlier. So very quickly, let me share my screen. Feel free to post your questions in the comments and do let me know from where you're watching my broadcast. Hopefully you will be able to see my slides now. Okay, so as the title itself said, how we can use AI tools for multimedia content design, or in other words, how we can immersify learning. And today, the tool I will be revisiting is none other than Google, Gemini, or NotebookLM in particular. Okay, let me put the chat in front of me. Okay, right. And because they have added some new features, very powerful features. As educators, I think we should explore this. And once again, I have to do this disclaimer that all these tools I'm sharing, I'm not getting any commission or anything from the companies. Uh, it's just my passion to explore free version of these tools for educators and how these tools we can effectively use for enhancing learning experiences. Okay, so this is what I will be covering very fast. Gemini, I don't think so. I will go DeepSeek, then move on to mind map. And the second tool I'm going to share is a free web conferencing tool called Jitsi, Jitsi. I will be showing a very quick demo. And yeah, I think Gemini is coming very strong. And if you notice here, they have a deep research feature which can even assist you and help you. Let me play a very short video of Gemini. And I would like to thanks Star for giving this trial account to explore Gemini. And now I'm exploring deep research. So let's try by giving a prompt. Explore. Okay. Upload a file. Okay. Let me. Yeah, here if you see, they do allow to add. I think most of GPTs now they do allow. You can add. So this is one of the article. My paper. So I would be uploading this to Gemini and asking Gemini to give me deep insight research, or let's go to download folders, and I have already downloaded my paper. Explore this article. So this is the prompt which I am giving to Gemini after uploading article. Prompt. I want Gemini to explore this article and give me key ideas discussed in this paper. and share with me some related research. So let's see how Gemini will response. And I'm using 2.5 Pro, and here I select deep research parameters. So just wait, let it explore. We will speed up and gives you the steps to share with me what Gemini 2.5 Pro Deep Research is doing. So step by step, it's actually analyzing or understanding the core requests, identifying the key related research, and based on this, and writing the summary. So we can wait and see, and it has to Excel or sheets. Yeah. So if you notice, the cool thing about Gemini, it can extract a tabular form of data also. Whether the references or related articles are accurate. Yeah, so we need to really verify, don't totally rely on AI tools. Okay, so this is my paper. Okay, so this is how it can analyze and convert all the details into Google Doc, right? Now here I'm using still Gemini and giving a prompt like uploading a picture and asking to generate a video. So you can generate a short video clip. Exploring Gemini and this. Okay.
Hashnain Zafar Balok is a senior manager, e-learning with IMU. In this role, Hashnain, an e-learning senior manager, is referred.
Yeah. Thanks, Louis from Nigeria. For Uganda, yes. Thanks. Nice to see you. Yeah, so I'm just sharing with you how you can use this Gemini. I think in Malaysia for students, they have given a free 1 year subscription. You can try that. So what I did, I just uploaded a static image, give text in the prompt, and ask Gemini to convert it into a video. Okay.
And welcome to the team. We are thrilled to have you join our senior instructional design group. We believe in a learner-centric, performance-driven, and innovative philosophy.
Just created a short intro about a company, and I gave the prompt, and you can replace your logo here of your company. So that's how Gemini could
welcome
help you.
To the team.
Okay, now let's move and dive into NotebookLM, and let me pull. I was actually working on one of the NotebookLM. One of my favorite tool for whenever it comes to interactive content design, or converting online activities from our resources. So as normal, just very quickly on extreme left side, you need to add resources, and you can add, I think I have tried more than 20 or even I think 50. You can try, or if limit reach, you can upload to a folder in a Google Drive and share that link. Okay, let me show you how. You see, you can even share a web link, a drive, or a YouTube, or upload files. Yeah, they allow you to upload 50 files, and then it will convert. The first thing it will do, convert all these resources. You can select whichever resource you want to be added in to summarize. So this one of the two of the resources I have uploaded here using my LinkedIn engagement analysis, and for my top post. And on the extreme right, you have a studio, and you can use these studio features like audio overview, video overview, quite nice. And I would recommend you to try slide deck, very, very impressive graphics it can generate. Let me, yeah, I may not have here, but I will show you the other one. Even flashcard and mind map is also very powerful. Let me show you all details, and cool thing, we can all download in a graphic form as image, and okay, let's go back to the studio, and let's try a slide deck and see. It sometimes takes a bit extra time. Infographic are also very nice, but recently they have added uh, data table, quite impressive, and if you notice this pen or pencil sign next to each most of these features, so you can click that, okay, and you can even give some prompts or uh, settings. You can configure that. For example, you want fewer card, or click on more, you can actually click that, and you can even make it hard, and then can generate flashcards based on your content. Okay, wonderful. Once again, it's generating those cards, and just to show you, I have tested about creating a table. Let me show you. From the source I have uploaded, it can very nicely generated table with all data captured accurately, and by clicking this icon, it can export all this data into a Google Sheet, and you can see here all details are here. You can modify and you can play around. So that's another very nice feature added by uh, Google. Okay, and it even highlights which source they use, and comments detail and all that, and you can actually play around with this data and then convert it into other statistical tools, and even generate graphs, right? Let's see. So it will take some time. uh, if you have any questions, do let me know by posting in the comments, and I can answer that. And those who will be watching the recording session of this live broadcast, please do mention from where you are watching. Yeah, so just want to highlight like infographics and slide decks, very powerful tool, and when they have quiz and reports also. So just now I was showing you Gemini. Outside of Notebook LM, you can generate reports of your articles, but here also they have added. I have tried this video overview also. Yeah, quite impressive. Yeah, so you see flashcards are generated. Let me show you. I can make it in a big screen. So you see what is the first current professional title at IMU University. And if you want to see answer, you click that. Yeah, and even they have explained. Wow. Okay, so it's actually going back to your resources and uh, pulling all the data and highlighting and elaborating more, right? So quite immersive as compared to our normal slides. We can let our learners play. Okay, thanks for the feedback, Louis. Okay, so let's move on. Identify the primary institution where Hasnan holds role of senior manager, because it's just picking up and making. You can modify, and you see here IMU University, and you notice 80 cards are there. Okay, so I will quickly show you. And they have this download feature also, so you can download and reuse all these uh, value resources, anywhere else also. Now the cool thing is about, according to source, how many teachers currently utilize the best teaching tool. um, wow, 500,000. And cool, the explanation, So you let learner to explore with the content, and the cool thing is it's only crawling or exploring the resources you have added in. For example, here you see when you click explain, it will go explore this data and list down all that details here. I won't be going all in detail. So very quickly, what was that total number of finger recorded? Oh, okay. Let's see this answer. 104. Yeah. So I'm just going very fast. So based on the resources, it generated flashcards, and you can let your learner explore and view all these flashcards. And let's try see. Yeah, generating slide decks will take time. I showed you already mind map, and they have some kind of I think, oh yeah, the slides in the past I have generated. So you see, the only thing is you can only download as a PDF, and then later on you can uh, you know use as a presentation slides. Okay. Yeah. So quite nice. If you look at the icons generated by Notebook LM, is quite impressive. And once again, if anything you want to change, you can go back, click on the pencil icon, and modify your setting. Um, Amazing. I mean, this is quite impressive. You see here now what the strategic blueprint feature content. So quite nicely it generated the slides. Last time I used Gamma, but now I would prefer Notebook LM, because it's giving more uh, realistic graphics and the way it design content. So yeah, yeah. So let's try, because every time you regenerate content, it will show you different style. You see. So it's learning and it's modifying. So even if you ask me, this is more impressive than the previous one. And you see social media impact. This I used in year end range. They give very nicely. And you see here the icons, quite nice. I would actually prefer these slides as compared to the previous one. And you see they slightly modify your picture not to be in trouble, to exactly, quite nice. And I think the icons are very nice, very basic, simple, but very very impactful. Okay, so this is what I want to share, the new features added into our Notebook LM. And even nowadays, recently they have added this, you can generate excel sheet or a table. uh, okay, so do let me know from where you're watching my live podcast, and if you have any questions, please feel free to post in the comments. um, okay, my other tool, which I just recently discovered in a boot camp, and I think that's where I met Louis, from Uganda, and I have invited him. This is one of the free uh, tool. Let me pull. Actually, I did a blog post. Maybe I can. Yeah, just pasting the link of my blog post, or I can actually just give me a minute. I can. Yeah. So no, I just want to share with you QR code. So for that, I will be using another browser. Okay. Yeah. And this is the QR code. So feel free to scan and you can actually join my my blog. And whenever I will post, you can actually get, um, alert. I am last time I was very active, but after getting my position, I felt like because so I reduced my posts. Blog. Okay. Um, tools. I just updated one of yeah one of my posts which I did in year 2020. I explored at that time. Zoom was just popping up, coming up strong. So even you can go and try Go, although they started paid version also, but there are a lot of free features which you can use for web conferencing. So I'm just sharing alternatives to Zoom, and then we have Wowel. You need to explore, quite impressive. And just recently, I came across with Jitsi. Okay, it's free tool for unlimited time and quite impressive. Quite, I would say, all the important features are available, and it's open source. You can even download the source code. You can modify by adding your company logo or any modification you want to do with this tool. Now, how you can use this Jitsi? Let me pull. Yeah, so very once again, I just share my QR code. Okay, feel free to scan this and please subscribe to my blog post also. Okay, so what you need to do, Jitsi. Let me pull that. Okay, you can go and just sign up using any email ID, and you need to go jitsi.org, jitsi dash meet, and you will reach to this page. Let me share with you the QR code of this page, Jitsi. And if you scroll down and you see start a call, very easy and quite impressive and quite nice. And I was testing it. I yet to get a success. You see here, you can type in exploring new tool for collaboration. Okay. And you can start meeting. Let's see. Yeah. So just put in your name here. Bit not comfortable because I'm now using my camera for, never mind. I'm just you how it looks like. Okay. So we can put our name, join meeting. It's good to log in. I will log in with my Gmail and see. So quite powerful. This tool I was exploring just now, and all the key features like sharing the sound, sharing your screen. Uh, in the only limitation I come across with this is like 25 join in, and you can share sound. You can invite. You can and quite nice. Okay, so I have compared. Okay, let's go back. Yeah, so I was sharing about a free tool, and this is my YouTube channel. Okay, this is where I was actually showing you the post I have done today. And in summary, I started with Gemini, then I deep search, okay, not deep seek, how we can use this deep search feature of Gemini to explore any article in depth. And then I actually shared Notebook LM, how we can use Notebook LM to convert to interactive multimedia content. And then last tool I shared today is about conferencing, web conferencing, and that's Jitsi. So maybe some other day, if anyone wants to try with me how to explore this Jitsi, just let me know. We can schedule a Jitsi meeting, and then I can actually explore you on that platform itself. Okay. If anyone have any questions, and please put in the comment and do let me know um, if from where you are watching my podcast. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because once I go live, you will be able to get alert, and that's how you can join in my live broadcast. I will try to come tomorrow also live and bring in some new tool for educators. And stay safe, everybody, wherever you are. Once again, thank you for joining my broadcast.